Hello guys, today and my friend is recording and
yeah. Okay, let's play. Let's start with Jared.
Yeah.
Jared.
What?
Okay, what do you want to play? Let's play hide and seek.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh man.
Okay, let's play.
Wait.
Okay, we'll get it started. And
go inside first.
Video.
Oh man, why my computer?
Please like and subscribe. And leave a like down below.
Please like and subscribe to both our YouTubes, or else it will ban you in Roblox and you will never play forever.
Don't listen to what he's saying. Okay, let's start.
Let's start. Because I'm just finding my friend. And are you playing right now? Because I'm finding you.
Yeah. Did you join me?
Oh, type hide and seek.
No, Jared, join me.
Yeah, I
Jared,
can.
Join me. Okay.
Yeah, I will join you. Wait. Just stay there. I will cut the video.
Okay, me too.
Because I'm just gonna cut the video here, and my friend's gonna do what I'm doing. And I didn't see you in hide and seek. Okay, I will cut the video. More. Okay, guys, today we're in Arsenal, and my friend is talking. And oh, we're in Arsenal.
No.
JP.
Anna, where's your iPad?
I will cut this again. Okay. Okay, wait. Need to cut
but I need
a. Guys, today we're in the Arsenal, because my friend called me in Messenger, and he'll be back in 10 minutes. I don't know. I'm not sure. Not really sure. I will not promise. I'm not sure. Oh man, it's so laggy. Shoot. So laggy. Damn it. So laggy. Oh man. So laggy. I'm dead. This is so laggy. Nope. I need to cut the video here, I think, because it's so laggy. Oh, damn. Oh, man. Whoa, I just see him. Is that a median? Okay, now it stopped. So much shooting. Like, so laggy. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, minigun. Boom, 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 boom. Just have a minigun. Still have a minigun. Still me or something. Can you stop lagging and don't get close to me, like so much people? How can I kill you? People are like so close. Oh my goodness. They are so close that I cannot even kill anyone. And it lags me. Okay. Deploy. So laggy. Why is my screen so bad? My cousin probably see me. Screen is so terrible. Like so laggy. screen is horrible. There's people. David is ready to. David is a masterpiece. Bam, bam, boom, bam, bam, beam, beam. Oh, come on! I suck at this Arsenal thing. Really bad on this, and it's so laggy. Not really not good. I'm just shooting randomly. Finally. Hello? Whatever. So laggy. Oh, my favorite gun. There, yo people. I know the screen is so laggy. Oh damn it, I'm dead. Maybe another game. Ooh. JP? Oh, my friend is back. My friend is back, guys. And JP.
What do you want, Jim?
Nothing. You just call me randomly. Hello, JP.
I'm scared. I'm screen recording.
You're screen recording?
Yeah, I'm gonna screen record right now.
Okay. And you're telling that in front of YouTube.
Wait.
Oh man, David's so good on this. I suck at this because it's so laggy. Oh man, I think we should play another game.
Okay, Jared, I'm gonna screen record, okay?
Okay. We'll play another game, JP. This is so laggy. What my cousin's playing.
Hello,
I'm
guys.
sorry about that, guys. This is so laggy, and my friend, my classmate is recording right now from my school, and
Leave a link down below.
and my screen is horrible and terrible. Terrible. Are you even playing? If you're actually recording, are you even playing, JP? But are you playing? JP?
Yeah, screen recording.
Oh.
Yeah, screen recording.
Oh man. I will play Imposter. We're gonna play different games. I know some of you probably see JP in the previous videos.
And
some of you see JP probably in the previous video.
And now I have my own YouTube channel.
And now my classmate have my friend classmate have a new YouTube, and I subscribe to him, and I want 1 like. That's
Please
all.
subscribe.
I just want 0 likes.
Oh dang. Okay, I'm not doing really well right now, but
I want 0 likes for this video. 0 likes. Skip vote.
No. Give us 100 likes or more. 1,000 likes.
Give JP 1,000 likes. Give me 0 likes.
Yes.
Yep. I made it.
Too.
Give me 0 likes. And I'm dead already.
Comment down below if you want me to make a Minecraft video, because me and my brother like Minecraft.
And I don't play Minecraft.
Yeah,
so you play Minecraft. What if how about you play Minecraft and I play Roblox? Like that would be cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in defeat and imposter win. What?
Oh darn.
Imposter.
Okay.
I'm playing imposter.
What are you playing with each other?
Imposter.
Oh, you're playing Among Us?
No, not. But this is
Okay.
imposter. A game called. It's like the same like Among Us. It's like the same.
I just lagged out of the game or something.
This is the same like Among Us.
Are you playing? Yeah, are you playing Arsenal?
No, because I quit on that game. That is so stupid game. It's so laggy.
Okay.
That's why I'm so angry
Okay.
because that game is so laggy
Okay,
and it's just disturbing.
we're gonna play a different game.
I'm
We're
playing
gonna play...
imposter. I told you.
No, we're gonna play a different game.
A different game? What you mean? It's like mini game we're playing.
No, I'm gonna.
Do you?
Play...
What if I just like?
I have to pause the video.
Okay, you pause the video. Oh, emergency meeting. Don't even try to pick me. I'm not it. I'm not even the imposter. I will pick random people. Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel. It's savage love. It's savage love. I really like the song. I'm not playing the song actually. Uh-oh, everybody's picking. Like this guy, the orange guy. No, 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 no. No, no. You. Incorrect. Two imposter remaining. Oh no! What?
Jared, I have to leave for a sec. I'm gonna come back. I just need to fix my YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll call you back.
Okay. Whatever. Whatever. Let's just continue.